Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number Z8407A. Only 55,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Caravan brand new, true blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Bucket seats in the middle, cloth interior, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Stow and go seating allows these seats to fold flat into the floor. Otherwise, lots of storage underneath when they're in the upright position. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Power liftgate for convenience. This Grand Caravan has a Joey lift installed for mobility scooters. Slides out in approximately 20 seconds. Simply drop the lift down, drive your scooter on. Has ratchet straps to secure for longer trips. Goes back quickly as well. All controlled by remote control. Grand Caravan is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, power adjustable pedals, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, radio and CD player, 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, sliding door, and liftgate. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow. Very easy to check anything on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Grand Caravan, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.